Alright, so let us look at question number 3. I'm going to share with you how to answer this question, okay? So if you look at the question, it says that you are given a circle with the center O and a radius of 8 cm, okay? Your OPQR is a rhombus, alright? So now you know that OPQR is a rhombus. That's a very important information. So O pergi ke P goes to Q, goes to R goes to O. So this is your rhombus. Rhombus, what is the meaning behind it is that all of the sides, they are of the same length. Okay, all the sides are of the same length. So basically, I can just label this as 8. This is 8, and same goes to your PQ and QR. Those are also 8, right? One more thing that you have to notice is that OQ is also the same length. OQ because it's the radius, right? So therefore, you have an equilateral triangle, OPQ, and also your OQR. If you are able to see the equilateral triangle, so I think it is very straightforward already lah. Because now I know that this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, so therefore the whole angle here will represent by 120 degree. So if you look at the first question, very straightforward, the length of your RPQ. So the formula is S equals to R theta, okay? So now just substitute your R is equals to 8 and then your theta now 120 degree. Please remember to change to become radian, so you have to multiply by pi and then divide by 180, okay? So just do a bit of calculation, all right? And then you should be able to get the answer. What I get here is 16.7573. So 16.7573 cm, all right? So that's the answer for question A. Now, if you look at question B might be a bit more challenging because question is asking you to find the area of the shaded region, right? If I'm not mistaken, the shaded region is over here. So that is the shaded region. Okay, I am going to bring you and focus on one part of the triangle. Okay, I am just going to focus on this part. Sorry, I'm gonna focus on this particular sector. Okay, I'm gonna highlight it in your yellow color. So over here, this is a sector. Okay, so I'm just gonna focus on that sector, and I'm gonna draw that out. Okay, so that you can see clearer. Okay, so I have a sector like that. Okay, I have my O, I have my P, I have my Q. All right, and then I want to find this shadow region. Okay, because why do I do that? Because I know that this side and this side, they are of the same size, so I can actually find one part. So when I do that, I can multiply by 2. At the end of the day, I got the answer, right? So now I have 60 degree over here. This is 60 degree. Okay, and then I know this is 8 centimeter. Right, so that's my radius. So I want to find the area of the segment. So this is actually considered as the segment. All right, so what do you need to do to find the segment? So basically, you have to take the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. So area of sector is 1 over 2 r squared theta minus the area of triangle over here is actually 1 over 2 r squared sine theta. Okay, so just substitute the formula. So I'm going to get 1 over 2 multiplied by my radius, which is 8 square, and then my theta over here is 60 degree. And remember to change to become radian, so I'll multiply by 60 times 3.142 and then divide by 180. So that's my first part, and then I need to minus off with the triangle, which is 1 over 2, and then times your r square, which is 8 square, and then times your sine theta. Again, I can put sine 60. Okay, so that's my second part, which is a triangle. Okay, just do a bit of calculation. Okay, I'm doing it now. 1 over 2 times 64 times 60 times 3.142 divided by 180. Okay, so that's my answer for the first part, and then minus by 1 over 2 times 64 times sine 60. Okay, now whenever you have calculation that regards to your that you have your angle in terms of degree, your calculator must be in terms of degree. Okay, always remember that. So now I'm gonna have 5.8019. All right, so that is my area of segment. Okay, but then that is only one part, so this is 5.8019. So now if I want to get the area of the shaded region, so it means that the final answer would be I need to multiply by 2, right? So this one I multiply by 2. So now I get the final answer, which is equivalent to 11.6037. Okay, 6037 centimeter square. Okay, so that's my answer for question B. So this is B. This is B, and over here this is A. Okay.